You may have noticed a little haze in the air, a little bit of smoke out there still from the agricultural burning in Central America, southern Mexico. It's dropped air quality into the moderate category. That should change as we head into the weekend. The northerly wind that we'll have, at least briefly, will push a lot of that out of here, and the air quality should go back up. Here are current temperatures across the valley. We're at 80 right now. McAllen 78, Brownsville, Port Isabel's at 79. Future Track says we don't go much of anywhere overnight tonight. We stay in the 70s pretty much all night long, and then tomorrow afternoon we're pushing 100 in the west. Most of the valley mid to upper 90s. You get closer to the coast, it's a little bit cooler, but still a very warm day. And then Saturday morning, just a little cooler, courtesy of that front tomorrow morning. Temperatures closer to 70, even upper 60s in a few places to start the weekend Saturday morning. And then Saturday afternoon, not quite as hot. Still warm, but not quite as hot. And Sunday for Mother's Day, we start in the upper 60s and then climb back into the low 90s once again with slightly lower humidity. The normal high for middle of May is 89, and that's that red line. We're going to be above that each of the next 7 days, and by quite a lot tomorrow, but a little closer as we get through Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Big thunderstorms East Texas tonight, big upper air low sitting over Oklahoma tonight. Everything kind of racing out ahead of that. That's where our front is. That front due to sneak through the valley tomorrow. Winds will shift early, and then the dry air will build in. Not a whole lot cooler, but drier, and that'll help at least lower the humidity a little bit. That'll stick around through about half of Sunday, then the humidity will start to come back in, courtesy of the southeasterly wind once again. At the same time, the winds in the upper levels of the atmosphere will be coming out of the southwest, following those red lines, so that starts to add moisture back in. So another mainly cloudy week probably. Take a look at this. Wednesday, showers and thunderstorms break out to the north, but it looks like most, if not all, that rain will stay north. Here's a map of how much rain we expect through the next week. Watch the days counting off. Through Sunday, maybe a spotty shower, but watch what happens next week. Middle part of Texas, big time rainfall fires up again Wednesday, Thursday into Friday. From central Texas all the way up to northeast Texas, 2.5 to 3 or 4 inches of rain in that part of the state. For us, our rain chance is not very good, about 10% tomorrow. Then we're dry through the weekend. Then we go 5 to 10% the middle part of next week. Travel plans tomorrow. San Antonio starts the day at 68, Dallas 66, 72 in Houston. By afternoon, most of the state back in the 80s. So for tonight, a low of about 75, partly cloudy skies, warm and humid. Then tomorrow we're back up to 97. I think it's probably the warmest day of the next 7 with plenty of sunshine. Humidity drops a little bit courtesy of that northwesterly wind. There's your Mother's Day, mostly sunny and 92. Nighttime lows closer to 70. They come back up next week and the daytime highs go back up as well. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.